Hi guys, Sam here from Landscape Plus, and today we're going to have a quick look at the IN-LITE EASY-LOCK connector. So this is a connector that is supplied with every IN-LITE fitting, and it's what you use to get you from your main cable onto your fitting itself. So you unscrew that top part, take out the guide, and then you will see the pins within the fitting there. You can also see that beneath this plate inside the fitting, you've got a layer of gel. So when pressure is applied over the top with the cable going into it, the gel comes up and waterproofs around those pins. So first things first, use your guide to pop over the top of your cable. That is just to keep your cable nice and square, making sure you make a good connection into the EASY-LOCK connector. That pushes down, give it a good push so that the pins go through your cable, and then simply screw that one over the top, and that is you done. Fitting goes straight into there, or if you've got a long distance to go, you can use one of their extension leads, but yeah, it's that nice and easy.